Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, plug the Zen into power and confirm battery 50% so the reset doesn't abort. Once done, back up critical files and exports. This resets storage completely. Make sure you know the primary account credentials and disable any screen lock or device protection. Otherwise, the device will remain tied to that account after reset. You're taking these steps to prevent bricking, data loss, and activation locks. After confirming backups and credentials, move to the recovery sequence immediately. You now enter recovery. Power the unit off, wait several seconds, then press and hold volume down plus power until the recovery menu appears. Timing matters to avoid the normal boot. Once the menu is visible, use volume keys to navigate and the power button to select. Choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset and confirm. This clears user data and returns system files to stock. The process can take a few minutes, be patient. After the wipe finishes, select Reboot System Now to proceed to finalization. You finish by completing the initial setup, signing into the accounts you recorded so the device can reactivate. If an activation lock blocks progress, log into the original account on the device or via the account recovery process to remove it. If the Zen enters a boot loop or won't finish booting, return to recovery and repeat the wipe. Or, as a last resort, reflash official firmware using the vendor's tool. This replaces corrupted system images. One tip: if nothing helps, contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.